In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best smartwatches available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the smartwatches mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Valdus PGD Smartwatch. The Valdus PGD Smartwatch is a feature-packed device perfect for tech-savvy fitness enthusiasts. Running Android 8.1, it offers seamless app integration and a smartphone-like experience on your wrist. Capture memories with the dual HD camera and stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2. This watch is ideal for those who want a versatile device for both fitness tracking and everyday use, combining convenience and functionality at an affordable price. Enjoy the benefits of a smartwatch with the power of Android, all while staying connected and capturing your active moments. Number 4, HAYLOU Iron N1 Smartwatch. The HAYLOU Iron N1 is designed for fitness enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers. Its 5 ATM waterproof rating makes it suitable for swimming and other water activities. Monitor your health 24/7 and track your progress with 100 workout modes. Enjoy extended usage with an impressive 30-day battery life, minimizing downtime and maximizing your active time. This smartwatch is a reliable companion for those who prioritize both fitness tracking and durability, built to withstand your toughest workouts and outdoor adventures. Number 3, Zeblaze Stratos 2 Ultra GPS Smartwatch. The Zeblaze Stratos 2 Ultra is the ultimate outdoor GPS smartwatch, built to endure. With 15 USMIL, STD, 810H certifications, it can handle any environment. Explore confidently with a built-in compass and barometric altimeter, perfect for hiking and trekking. Track your activities with over 170 sports modes and smart recognition, providing detailed insights into your performance. The 10 ATM water resistance ensures it can handle any adventure, from swimming to diving. This smartwatch is designed for serious outdoor enthusiasts who demand ruggedness and precision. Number 2, Huawei Watch GT4 Smartwatch. The Huawei Watch GT4 is a premium fitness and health smartwatch designed for those who prioritize well-being, track your steps, calories, and fitness goals with ease, and accurately navigate your outdoor activities with the built-in GPS tracker. Its waterproof design ensures it can keep up with your active lifestyle, whether you're swimming or hitting the gym. Enjoy long-lasting power with a 14-day battery life, allowing you to stay connected and track your progress without interruption. This smartwatch is ideal for health-conscious individuals who value both style and comprehensive health monitoring. Number 1, Amazfit GTR 2 Smartwatch. The Amazfit GTR 2 is a feature-rich smartwatch ideal for fitness enthusiasts and tech lovers. Enjoy an ultra-long battery life of up to 14 days, keeping you powered up for your busy life. Monitor your fitness progress with GPS and a heart rate monitor, providing accurate data for your workouts. The waterproof design makes it suitable for swimming and showering, allowing you to wear it anywhere. The vibrant AMOLED display provides excellent visibility, even in bright sunlight. With Alexa built in, this smartwatch offers convenient voice control, making it a truly smart companion.